Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to draw Lisa from Blackpink. And I hope this going to be useful. So let's get started. In this portrait, I'm using normal and soft charcoal pencils for eyes and eyebrows. I'm using normal shade pencil, and not applying any pressure on pencil, and I'm also using soft pencil to layering. Use your blending tool for blend pencil shades, and don't apply too much pressure on it. If you think it's not enough dark, then apply second layer on it. Same goes for dark area. Also don't forget to blend softly. If you add too much pressure on it, then it's going to affect on your portrait. For soft shadow area, I'm using a charcoal powder. For more content, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Because lips are dark, so I'm using multiple layers of pencil to make lips dark. For more content, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. For soft shadow area, I'm using a charcoal powder. We are going to draw hair, so I'm using a soft pencil to draw this area and blend this area with your blending tool. Now use a normal pencil to draw hair and draw like this.
In the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so
the hair portion, and use a soft pencil to draw dark hair portion and blend that hairs. In this video I'm using a masking tape for borderline. If you use this method it's going to give your portrait best look. For her t-shirt, I'm using a soft pencil and apply a multiple layer on it. And blend the pencil. For background, I'm using a charcoal powder.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
Don't apply too much pressure. Now remove the tapes, then you can see the results. Now here goes my mark. So, let's see the results.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, and I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill.
If you have any ideas, then you can use the comments section, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.